Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at the charts of the two largest cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum. We want to take a look at how the probabilities are for a possible upside breakout or another pullback before we go higher. So let's take a look at the charts. Let's go. Okay, so we are now on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. Here we can navigate to our cryptocurrencies section and find Bitcoin, Ethereum with charts updated. I will talk about Ethereum first, then Bitcoin. If you're interested in receiving these updates every day in writing, for free with charts and probabilities and support and resistance levels, feel free to check out the link in the description. You can register for free on our website. Now let's take a look at the Ethereum chart. So this is the daily chart. You know this one already. You can see here the wave count that in our preferred scenario, we still see the current correction, the current pullback that started after this green wave 1 formed the top earlier this year around March time. So we still see this as a wave 2 in our preferred scenario, which would lead likely to a third wave rally once this correction is complete. It's not clearly complete yet, but we would prefer a reversal to the upside from this region before the price breaks and sustains below the support box, which ends at $1,813. So there is one more support level below, 2,072, and 1,813 then is the last one actually in this box. It's the 88.7 Fibonacci retracement of the green wave 1 to the upside. Below that level, we have the 1,522 level, which is sort of the invalidation point. It's the invalidation point for upside continuation directly, and in this case, we would just see this wave 2, which presumably finished last year, no, actually 2022, as still unfolding, right? So this is something to consider because this is so far the bear market low, right? In I think it was June 22. But if we break below 1,522, we would have to assume that this is still unfolding. Now we assign that at the moment a 38% probability. Okay, so now let's take a look at the smaller time frame. Here you can just see it in a little bit more detail, and also additional support levels that would matter should we really break below 1522. By the way, to the upside, 4,091 is a key breakout point actually that needs to be broken in order to really unlock higher prices in a larger degree third wave. Now to the downside, we have 1,522, 1,370 and 1,074. These are the next support levels should we really break below the trading area, below the support area, but that's currently not expected. Now let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart. Have we finished the bull market? Is it over? Scared. A lot of people are scared. Well, we're still sort of stuck in a range, right? We have not yet broken out to the upside. We haven't yet broken out above the March high. I mean, that's the crucial next step, right? But overall, you can see Bitcoin looks a bit stronger than Ethereum. Also, if we form another low and actually break lower, we would not expect this to be still a continuation of the bear market. On the Ethereum chart, it looks a bit like that. On the Bitcoin chart, not. So also here, we assign a 38% probability for the alternative scenario in which a wave 2 is still unfolding, but we would not expect the bear market lows of November 22 to be broken. So at the moment, the idea is we are following higher, and we assign 62% probability to our directly bullish scenario. We assume that a fourth wave here in orange is possibly still unfolding. We take a look at the 8-hour chart in a minute. Important is that our trading area here worked out nicely. We graded out, which means that if you enter the position as a pullback trader in that area, you might want to consider to sort of protect your losses because it's not active anymore, this trading area. It might be because probabilities for a downside move are quite high as well. Yes, not the highest, but sometimes the market takes the lower probability pathway. Very important. But overall, we still expect upside continuation. It would be ideal to see here like one more high, which would lead to a break above 73,800, possibly then into the $90,000 to $100,000 area to complete the larger degree wave 1, after which we would expect a major correction. Now on the 8-hour chart, you see it in a little bit more detail. Here you can actually see that our preferred interpretation is that the wave 4, which started in March, is still unfolding. This is preferred in a complex WXY structure. Now, a break above 73,808 would shift these probabilities, okay? And we would then assume that a wave 4 here possibly completed already recently in October in an alternative scenario, and then we are going up more directly. But it's it's only the alternative. It's not unlikely, right? We have it there as a reasonable alternative, but it would require proving with a break above 73,800. So in summary, we still look for higher prices for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Obviously, we've got the US elections that are around the corner. So there's just a lot of uncertainty in the markets. And unfortunately, not much happened on these charts since March. So we are now at a crucial point where the market has to make a decision really, and we should know it quite soon. But we're overall still looking for higher prices. Even if setbacks are larger than maybe in our primary scenarios, we would not expect a long-term downtrend for cryptocurrencies, not yet. Okay, so that's the update about Bitcoin Ethereum. Hope you enjoy the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates also for stocks, tech stocks, we also cover Coinbase, Tesla, for example, PayPal, very popular as well, then register on our website. You can find the link in the description. And also let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrencies or tech stocks you want me to cover going forward. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.